सगन रघुनाथान्वितां तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजन सहितं श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान् सगन ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांश्च नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनि नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तबिंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. We'll be today having lecture by Srila Prabhupada. I think there is a problem with the volume. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll be today reading text 6 from 5th chapter of Canto 5. Please repeat after me. एवं मनः कर्म वंशं प्रयुक्ते अविद्यया आत्मन्युपधीयमाने प्रीतिर्न यावत् मयि वासुदेवे न मुच्यते देह योगेन तावत्. Synonyms. Evam, thus. Manah, the mind. Karma vashan, subjugated by fruitive activities. Prayunkte, acts. Avidyaya, by ignorance. Atmani, when the living entity. Upadhyamane, is covered. Pritihi, love. Na, not. Yavat, as long as. Mai, unto me. Vasudeve, Vasudev, Krishna. Na, not. Muchyate, is delivered. Deha yogena, from contact with the material body. Tavat, so long. Translation. When the living entity is covered by the mode of ignorance, it does not understand the individual living being and the supreme living being, and his mind is subjugated to fruitive activity. Therefore, until one has love for Lord Vasudev, who is none other than myself, he is certainly not delivered from having to accept a material body again. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. When the mind is polluted by fruitive activity, the living entity wants to be elevated from one material position to another. Generally, everyone is involved in working hard day and night to improve his economic condition. Even when one understands the Vedic rituals, he becomes interested in promotion to heavenly planets, not knowing that one's real interest lies in returning home back to Godhead. By acting on the platform of fruitive activity, one wanders throughout the universe in different species and forms. Unless he comes in contact with a devotee of the Lord, a guru, he does not become attached to the service of Lord Vasudev. Knowledge of Vasudev requires many births to understand. As confirmed in Bhagavad Gita 7.19, Vasudeva Sarvam iti sa Mahatma Sudurlabhav. After struggling for existence for many births, one may take shelter at the lotus feet of Vasudev Krishna. When this happens, one actually becomes wise and surrenders unto him. That is the only way to stop the repetition of birth and death. This is confirmed in Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 19.151 in the instructions given by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Sri Rupa Goswami at the Shashwat Ghata. Brahmande Brahmite Kona Bhagyavana Jiva Guru Kane Prasada Paya Bhakti Lata Bija. The living entity wanders throughout different planets in different forms and bodies. But if by chance he comes in contact with a bona fide spiritual master, by the grace of the spiritual master, he receives Lord's devotional life begins again. Thus ends the Bhaktivedanta purport for this shloka. Now we'll be listening to the lecture given by Srila Prabhupada on this particular shloka.
again.
Evam mana.
There was a problem with the voice. I'm sharing it.
Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 5th Canto, 5th Chapter, text number 6, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 28th of October, 1976, in Vrindavan, India.
Sri Rupam Chakrajatam.
Translation. When the living entity is covered by the mode of ignorance, he does not understand the individual living being and the supreme living being, and his mind is subjugated to fruitive activity. Therefore, until one has love for Lord Vasudeva, who is none other than myself, he is certainly not delivered from having to accept a material body again and again.
Evam mana karma vasanta junti avidya atmani upodhiyamani kritinna yavat mai vasudeve na muchyate deha yogena tava. This is another important verse. The problem is presented Deha Yogena. Deha Yogena, this body, contact with this material body. This is the problem. But nobody knows it. Especially in these days, they cannot understand that this material body is a foreign element and somehow or other have victimized, have entrapped within this body. This problem is real problem. But they do not know. And this is called avidya, ignorance. There are two kinds of strong avidya, ignorance, unawareness. Satagun, Rajagun, Tamagun. Rajagun and Tamagun is covering. Tamagun is very densely covering, and Rajagun little open, and Satagun means prakash. There is illumination, Brahmanical qualification. When one is in the Satagun, then he can understand that I am not this body, I am different from this body. For them, those who are in the Satagun, for them it is easier. So, therefore the process is, human civilization means not to drag somebody who is already in the Satagun or in the family of Satagun, to drag him down to the Tamagun. The modern civilization is like that. The allurement of material civilization is so strong and so bad that those who are by pious activities born in Brahmana family, they are being dragged to the tamagun behavior like Sudras. They are learning how to drink, how to eat meat, how to have illicit sex. These are the symptoms of tamagun, lowest type of tamagun. There are different degrees of guna. The degrees are so mixed up that for 3 gunas is manifested into 8,400,000 of different forms of life. Mixture. You can calculate, we have several times calculated. 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9. 9 multiplied by 9, 81. So therefore there are so many varieties. So human civilization should be so arranged that never mind, it is so mixed up, you have to gradually draw him again to the Satagun. That is human civilization. Not that drag him again to the tamagun. Somebody by pious activities, by good work, is already in the Satagun, but the arrangement, the social, political, economical arrangement is so bad that one is dragged to the tamagun. This is not civilization. This is degradation. Civilization means elevation. The aim is how to become disconnected with this material body. This is civilization. Otherwise that is not civilization, it's animal life. Dasyatma buddhi punapi kridhat. So, the Krishna consciousness movement is an attempt to bring the human society into the proper platform of civilization. It is a very scientific movement. How it is done? Here it is said, Pritinna javat mai vasudeve. Pritinna javat mai vasudeve namacchate deha yogena tavat. This is the problem. So, by gradual process to bring one to the platform of Vasudevi Priti, that is bhakti. Priti means love. How to love Vasudeva Krishna? That is civilization. To bring one to the platform of loving Krishna, Priti to Vasu. Vasudeva Sarvamit. Just like if you love somebody, the intense love is that your lover or beloved is everything. That is love. Just like a mother loves her child, she is always anxious to take care of the child. Whole attention is on the child. These are examples. These are not actually love, but a perverted reflection of love. We can understand what is love. But this love does not stand. But nature dictates that you love your child like this, you love your husband like this, your wife like this, your country like this, your society like this. There are different grades of loving demonstration. So that loving demonstration, when it will be concentrated on Vasudeva, Krishna, That is the highest perfection of life. Therefore, it is said, Priti na javat mai Vasudeva. One may have Priti because we do not know Vasudeva, Krishna. We have got natural tendency to love, but we do not know where to place love. If we place our loving tendency unto Krishna, Vasudeva, then that tendency becomes fruitful and perfection. That is what. Therefore it is said that dharma sanusthita pumsa vishakshena kathas notpadayadirating jadi samayi vikeva Vasudeva bhagavati bhakti yoga prayojita janayati asu vairagam jnanam jad ahitakam. If you place your loving tendency, then Bhagavati, Bhakti Yoga, this can be done perfectly by Bhakti Yoga, not by any other. There are different yoga system. Everything is mixed up with little bhakti, but there's a karma yoga, jnana yoga, dhyana yoga, there are different. But real yoga means loving Vasudeva, Bhagavan. Therefore Bhagavan says in the Bhagavad Gita, Yoginam api sarvesam. All other yoga system, that is, there is little tinge of Vasudeva Bhakti, but not 100% pure. It is mixed. Misra Bhakti. Misra Bhakti will not be immediately fruitful. It will take long time. Bhaunam janmanavanti jnanavan mang prabuddhati. There is everything, there is some bhakti yoga, but if it is not pure, then it will take very long time. Bahunam janma, one janma means hundreds of years. We are not talking of any other janma, even human form of life. Because those who are advanced in spiritual life, there is every possibility for getting next life a human being. Otherwise, nobody knows. Those who are ignorant, they do not know. There will change their body, tatha dehantara prati. That is a fact. But those who are in the Satugun, they are sure to get next life in the human society. Suchinang simatangehi yoga bhrashta sanjaya. This Suchinang, pure Brahman, and Simata, very rich Vaishya, or Kshatriya, kings and mercantile community, they are rich. Srimat. Sri means opulence, and Mat means one who has. Srimata. So, this is a chance that even if you are failure in this life, somehow or other, you get chance next life again, human form of life, either in a very nice, pure Brahmin family or Vaishnava family. Vaishnava family is better than Brahmin family. Chanting, dancing, offering obeisances to the Lord, temple atmosphere, don't think it is ordinary opportunity. It is very great opportunity. From the very beginning of life, they are getting impression. Bhakti Yoga. Vasudevi Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga. These are not going in vain. Even a child is playing kartal, imitation. Not imitation, he is given the chance. He was previously Vaishnava, somehow or other. He could not make his life perfect. Therefore, he is given again chance. So naturally he has got tendency to play the kartal, to offer flower here, to offer obeisances. They take pleasure. It is due to previous life, yogas, but it was not perfectly done. So, somehow or other, we are getting chance from the very beginning of life. It does not mean that if somebody did not get the chance from the very beginning of life, he cannot. He can be also. So, but the ultimate aim is Vasudeva, Pritin na javat mai Vasudeva. This is the ultimate goal. You have to come to this stage. Vasudeva Sarvamiti, fully, firmly convinced that Vasudeva is my life, Vasudeva is everything, Krishna is my life. The highest perfection is visible in the Vrindavan atmosphere, especially by the gopis, everyone in Vrindavan, even the trees and plants, even the grains of sand, everyone is attached to Krishna. That is Vrindavan. So, not all of a sudden we can get that high stage of life, of Vrindavan attachment, but still, wherever we stay, if we practice this bhakti yoga, as we are preaching, and it is becoming successful, people are taking, those who are so-called mlechas and javanas, they are also taking to Vasudeva. Their love for Krishna is increasing. That is natural. It is said in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Nitya Siddha Krishna Bhakti. Nitya Siddha. Just like I am or you are, we are eternal. Nitya Sasatoyam Nahannati Hannamani Sharire. We are not destroyed by the destruction of the body. We remain, continue to remain. Similarly, our devotion to Krishna continues. It is simply covered. Avidyaya Atmani upadhiyamani. Avidya, this is avidya. We forget Krishna, that is avidya. And as soon as we take Krishna as our life and soul, that is vidya. You can do, anyone can do very easily. Krishna says therefore, Sarvadharman Parityaja Mamekam Sarva. Why? Any other so-called religious system, that is avidya, will keep you in ignorance. There is no light. And the Vedic injunction is that don't keep yourself in the darkness of ignorance. Tamasi ma, jyotidgama. That jyoti means to love Krishna. And loving affairs of Krishna is in the spiritual world. That is jyoti, jyotirmaya dham, self-effulgence. Just prabha prabhatu jagadandakur. There is no darkness. Just like in the sun, there is no question of darkness. The examples are here. We can understand what is jyoti. We can see that there is no darkness in the sun planet. It is all glowing effulgence. Similarly, in the spiritual world, there is no ignorance. Everyone is Shuddha Sattva, not only Sattvagon, but Shuddha Sattva. Sattanga Visuddhanga Vasudeva Sabda. Here in this material world, there are three qualities, Sattvagon, Rajagon, Tamagon. So, none of these gunas are pure. There is mixture. And because there is mixture, therefore we see so many varieties. But we have to come to the platform of Sataguna. And that process is hearing. This is the best process. Sinnathang Sakatha Krishna Punna Savana Kirtan. If you hear regularly Srimad Bhagavatam, we are therefore stressing, always hear, always read, always hear. Nittanga Bhagavata Sevaya. Nitta. If you can constantly 24 hours, if you hear and chant, hear means somebody chants or you chant yourself or hear. Or some of your colleague may chant, you hear, or he may hear, you may chant. This process must go on. This is Savanam Kirtanam, Vishnu, that is Bhagavad. Not any other nonsense talks, gossiping. Simply hear and chant. Then, Chinnatang Sakatha Krishna, if you seriously hear and chant, seriously, yes, this life I shall engage only for increasing my love of Vasudeva. If you are determined, it can be done. There is no difficulty. And as soon as you do this, you increase and fully your love for Vasudeva, then there is no more chance of contacting material body. Janma karmancha dibbam me jujalati tattata tattadeham punarjanma naiti. That is the same thing. And if you do not understand Krishna, if you do not increase your natural love for Krishna, then namucchati diha yogi natava. There is no chance. There is no chance. You may take birth next life in a very rich family, in a Brahmin family, Jova Brashta, but that is also not release. Again you may fall down. Just like we see, there are so many, just like you Americans, you are born in rich family, rich nation, but falling down, becoming hippies, falling down. So there is chance, not that it is guaranteed. Because I am born in a rich family or Brahman family, there is guarantee. No guarantee. This Maya is so strong that it is only trying to drag you down. So many influences. So therefore, we sometimes see that these Americans, they are so fortunate that born in a country where there is no poverty, there is no scarcity. But still, because the leaders are rascals, they have arranged for meat-eating, illicit sex, intoxication, and gambling. Advertise naked women and what is called beef-eaters and liquor. This is going on. Advertise cigarettes, just to pull them down again, go to hell. Punarmusikava. They do not know what dangerous civilization this is, dragging them. Therefore, sometimes some senior section of the old men, they come to me, they offer their thanks. Swamiji, it is a great fortune that you have come to our country. They acknowledge. Yes, that's a fact. This Krishna consciousness movement is a great fortunate movement, and especially in the Western countries, that's a fact. So those who have taken, take it very seriously. Increase your love for Krishna. Pritin na javat mai vasudeva. Namucchate deho. They do not know what is the actual problem of life. The actual problem of life is deho, this foreign body. We are accepting one time bhutta praliyat. accepting one type of body. And therefore they have these rascals, leaders in Europe and America. They have concluded there is no birth. That's all. Because if they accept there is life after death, then it is horrible for them. So they have dismissed. No, there is no birth. Big so-called professors, learned scholars, they talk foolishly. Swamiji, after this body is finished, everything is finished. That is their conclusion. And if the body comes by accident, kimannat kama hetukam, asattam apratishtanti jagadahu anisharam. So, this kind of civilization is very dangerous, very, very dangerous. So at least those who have come to Krishna consciousness, they should be very, very cautious about this dangerous type of civilization. People are suffering. Take to Krishna consciousness moment and be happy and perfect. Thank you very much.
So Hare Krishna. So what we see in this verse is Prabhupada ji has started by defining what the real problem is. And the real problem is that we are covered with this body. And especially in these days, we cannot understand that this material body is a foreign element. And somehow or other, I am victimized, I am entrapped within this body. So this problem is real problem. And we need to know this. The moment we don't know this, that is avidya or ignorance. He further goes on and says that human civilization means not to drag somebody who is already in the Satoguna or in the family of Satoguna to drag him down. But the purpose of human civilization is to enable the upliftment of those who are in the Tamoguna and the Rajoguna, or a mixture of all these three gunas, to take them to the level of upper, that is Satoguna, and maybe the next level, which is the Shuddha Satoguna, which you'll be seeing in the further chapters and the lectures that we'll be having in the series. But unfortunately, the allurement of material civilization is so strong and so bad that even those who are, because of pious activities, born in the Brahmana family, they are being dragged, unfortunately, to the lower levels. And we need to gradually draw them back to the Satogun, and that is the real civilization. Towards the end, Prabhupada ji has clearly clarified and mentioned that the ultimate aim is Vasudev, Krishna. Pritirna yavan mai Vasudev. This is the ultimate goal. We have to come to this. Vasudeva sarvam iti. Fully, firmly convinced that Vasudev is my life. Vasudev is everything. Krishna is my life. That is the ultimate aim. And we see this in the residents of Vrindavana. This bhava gets reflected in Vrindavan Loka, as Prabhupada ji mentioned in the lecture. And gopis are the perfect example of what Vasudev Priti can. And we need to reach to that level. So the question generally comes to us, how we will reach there. We are in this Kali Yuga. And that also is responded very aptly by Prabhupada ji in the lecture. So where he says, we have to come to the platform of Satoguna. And that process is hearing, Shravanam. So we have in our previous lectures also seen the Navvidha Bhakti. And every time the stress, the importance is given to Shravanam. So Prabhupada ji says that process is hearing. This is the best process. Shravanam Swakathaha. Krishna Punya Shravanam Kirtanam, which is a part of the Srimad Bhagavatam, 1st chapter, 2nd canto, 17th shloka, which we had done in level 1. So if you hear regularly Srimad Bhagavatam, we have to hear regularly Srimad Bhagavatam, then automatically we, over a period of time, get elevated and moved to the upper gunas. Therefore, we are stressing, always hear, always read, always hear. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.18. That is how our shloka lectures generally start every day. So Nitya, if we can constantly, 24 hours, if we can hear, chant Here means somebody chants, or we ourselves chant, or here, or maybe some of our colleagues may chant and we hear, or he may hear and we may chant. This process must go on. This is Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam, Vishnu, and that is Bhagavata. And that is why it is stressed that we should be doing Shravanam and then followed by Kirtanam. And one of the best ways to do this is chanting. So Prabhupada ji has given us very simple process of A, B, C, D. A is association, B is books, reading the scriptures, which Prabhupada ji has written. C is chanting, and D is diet, wherein we follow the diet which has been prescribed by Prabhupada ji. And that diet is taking or eating anything which is first offered to Krishna. So the stress in the lecture today, in the shloka today, which we'll read again to, before we end this discussion, is, as mentioned in the shloka, evam manah karma vasham prayunkte avidyaya atmani upadhiyamane pritirna yavan mai vasudeve na muchyate deha yogena tavat. When the living entity is covered by the mode of ignorance, he does not understand the individual living being and the supreme living being, and his mind is subjugated by fruitive activity. Therefore, until one has love for Lord Vasudeva, who is none other than myself, he is certainly not delivered from having to accept a material body again and again. And the process for this is to develop Krishna consciousness, wherein in the purport, Prabhupada ji has clearly mentioned that once we meet a proper guru, which even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given the instructions in to Sri Rupa Goswami at Dashashwamedh Ghat, Brahmanda Brahmite Kona Bhagyavana Jiva Guru Krishna Prasade Paya Bhakti Lata Bija. Therefore, we are very lucky that we are all gathering every day at 8 p.m. doing this Shravanam, and we are also getting the opportunity to listen from Prabhupada ji as well as Rohini Sud Prabhu ji. And that is how our bhakti will slowly start and will progress further. So I thank you everyone for having assembled here. And now I welcome all those who have come for the